This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session. Today is July 17th, 2025. I am currently in a long position in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have going here top down. So here on the 15-minute, you can see here in the previous session, we get this sell side delivery here. And this sell side delivery comes down and sweeps out liquidity here. There's sell side liquidity here. There's sell side liquidity here. There's sell side liquidity here below this wick. So all this sell side liquidity gets rated. So then I'm looking for a reversal in this situation here, where I would take Bitcoin long. Then if we come up here, I'll take this 50% Fibonacci off. We can see the price action here come down and sweep, as I mentioned. You can see the low of the previous session was traded below pretty much immediately. And then you see sell side liquidity swept here, and then this equal bottom area that also coincides with this session low here. So sell side liquidity here in these areas here. So when I saw that being swept here just after 6:30 or 8:30, when financial data is released, I took an entry here on the swing low here, with the swing low here, and took an entry right here at this candle. But the ICT entry and the entry that I'll take moving forward would be based off of this fair value gap here. And this is based off of the ICT 2022 model. So this creates the fair value gap in the candle series. So you're seeing, in addition to the sweep of liquidity, seeing a bullish fair value gap formation form here. Looking at the candle bodies, you can see candle body 1, 2, or at least seeing this first candle body, second candle body, this third candle body being looked at as candle 1 potentially here, and then getting buy side delivery here with this fair value gap, and then an entry would be here at the fair value gap. Going to face some drawdown here, but now nearing liquidity here at equilibrium, with price action consolidating right here before the equilibrium level. I was considering targeting this level, which price is at currently, but decided I wanted to target this fair value gap here that has not been rebalanced. And my trade idea is to rebalance this fair value gap. So essentially trading from one fair value gap to the next, with this fair value gap being rebalanced here. So the goal is to go for this fair value gap to rebalance. Originally I was going for this target, which I would have just hit here, because this target is on the Fibonacci level of the entire range here. You can see at the equilibrium or 50% level, the way ICT teaches, looking for targets in this area, that would have been this target here. That would have just been reached. Now we've got this fair value gap that's in here. So this fair value gap may be tested before any potential leg up, or price could just sell off and be delivered to the sell side on me here. But what I'm trying to do for consistency purposes is trying to trade fair value gap to fair value gap, if at all possible. If not, then trading to liquidity. which at the same time there's buy-side liquidity resting right up here with this flat area here in price. You see these 3 candles or these 4 candles here where there's just a flat top kind of area here. To me, this would be a potential target in addition to this unbalanced fair value gap here. So potentially overstaying my welcome in this trade, or potentially getting the hang of things here, or getting a feel for how this 2022 ICT trading methodology works. But seeing the sweep of liquidity here and the fair value gap that's here, this could consolidate here for a while, or pull back and go long is essentially what I'm looking for when choosing targets and reaching liquidity and other, let's say, areas of interest on a chart. I would expect a level of resistance, or I wouldn't say resistance. I would expect some type of reaction at certain levels, which would create some drawdown in your trade. So right now, I could be all out with that sweep of liquidity there at equilibrium, and now facing some sell side delivery here, and I would anticipate some sell side and some consolidation as this candle here is consolidating around the 118.350 to 118.380 levels before any potential price delivery to the buy side or to the sell side. So we'll see how this position plays out here. This could be a sound idea, or it could be a very unsound idea. When it comes to speed, I could already be out of this position and just getting on with my day, or waiting for any potential trade setting up in the afternoon. But digging in a bit deeper here and trying to either explore the range of what the system has to offer, or just simply being greedy and overestimating what Bitcoin has to offer price-wise today. But now it's just the wait and see game to allow Bitcoin to work through its trade processes here. And now we've tapped into this fair value gap. And I'll just extend it out a little bit in case price action goes back into it. But this is the price action I was waiting for in order to potentially facilitate another leg higher, potentially into that order block, that fair value gap that's higher in the range. And now just extending this fair value gap out here. We'll see if price can reach up into it. And if there's a rebalance opportunity here. So with taking the swing, the swing low there, I can see why that worked, but also can see how that can fail with price selling back off after that. So I can see the validity in allowing the fair value gap to form and then taking an entry on it before, or instead of just allowing the swing here. Looking at this could actually be putting in some type of swing here, like a failure swing potentially. So I want to keep an eye on this. But with this reaction here from trading into this fair value gap, and then giving this buy side delivery here, looks like it could be bullish, but again, price action has to play out here, and this trade could take some time to play out. Maybe I'll change these colors. There we go. This is always, or at least typical, when you have a liquidity target, price may stall just before the liquidity target, just as it did here before reaching this target. And now seeing this consolidation here before price is able to potentially reach up into a higher level. So needing, so this area could be profit taking right here. Price currently trading around the 118.220 level, 118.250. So somewhere between 118.220 and 118.280 right now. Getting consolidation in this candle. Now price delivering to 118.300. More buy side delivery here, 118.320. $118,350. And I was journaling this trade, but I've made some changes to it, so I'm going to make those adjustments here. So change the order. So I've changed my take profit. So entry 117,631. Stop loss. Getting some buy side delivery here. Potentially putting in a new high here. What is this? 4951. Yep, got a new high. New 15-minute high. So I'm re-entering my trade information to get my risk to reward parameters for the new position here. 7586. I was also looking at this particular trade idea previously, but lacked the confidence coming into the position to put this on. So 920, 40. Okay. Alright, so 4768 divided by, let's say, 920. So this will be a 5 to 1 instead of a 4 to 1, if it works out now. And that was the piece of information that I needed to change in my journal here. 5 to 1. But yeah, as I was saying about this entry, taking it where I did worked out, but if this fair value gap does not set up, then this would be invalid. So waiting for the fair value gap is what I want to do going forward here. Definitely lucked out this morning, but that may not be the case the next time I attempt something like this. But also seeing the fair value gap here is quite high in the range, so this is where I would be looking to take the entry right here in this candle. So I would have suffered quite a bit more drawdown here, but taking the entry this high, I would most certainly be targeting the rebalance of this range, if not targeting higher levels, just to get the appropriate risk to reward for taking the trade at that level. Price consolidating here around the 118,400 level, 118,350. Some sell side delivery here and consolidation. Price consolidating here, 118,220, 118,300. $118,350. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. 118,400. Not quite. 118,350. So price still consolidating here between 118,300 and 118,400. New 5-minute candle. Buy side delivery. 118,400. Consolidation. 118,420. 118,380. 118,350. Sell side delivery here. Consolidating. More sell side delivery here. 118,350 consolidating. Price potentially testing the previous 5-minute candle low. $118,420 buy side delivery with speed. $118,450. $118,480. Potential new 15-minute high. New high. Nope, not yet. Not a new 15-minute high yet. About 20 cents or 30 cents away from that. So getting a 4972, and now we have the new high put in here. Buy side delivery with speed. 118,550, 118,600. Price approaching that area of liquidity and the fair value gap here. Price pulling back. 118,500. $118,480, 118,500. Price consolidating here. 118,450. $118,400. Sell side delivery here. $118,420. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. 118,450. Ideally, want to see some buy side delivery coming into the close of this candle. 118,480, 118,500. Getting buy side delivery coming in here, or buy side being delivered here. 118,500. Price consolidating here near 118,480, 118,500. New 5-minute candle. 118,500. $118,520, $118,550 buy side delivery. $118,520 consolidation. $118,550. $118,580. So price has failed to reach the 118,600 level, just short in the previous 5-minute candle. We'll see if price will want to be delivered into that level here. Price approaching the 118,600 level. 118,600, 118,620, 118,620. Price just under this fair value gap. 118,600, 118,620, 118,650, 118,680. Price now trading inside the fair value gap. Price trade about halfway through the fair value gap, pulling back here, 118,650. Price reaching 118, just shy of 118,700 with 118,698.9. So take profit, 118,758.6. Price consolidating around the 118,650 level, just at the lower end of the fair value gap. $118,600. So could have easily taken profit here at the lower end of this fair value gap. Trying to work on holding for a rebalance, but this could be asking for too much. But trying to work on my patience and getting the most out of these positions, but also understanding that trying to get the most out of something, you could also wind up with nothing if you were being greedy. Less than 1 minute remaining in this 5-minute candle and in this current 15-minute candle. Price trading at 118,580. $118,600, 118,620, 118,650. Buy side delivery here with speed. 118,680. Price reacting within the fair value gap. $118,680. $118,700. $118,700 trading through. $118,720. Price consolidating. And price target reached as price trades through the fair value gap. Let's take a look at the tickets here. So you can see this morning here at 640, buy here, I believe about maybe just short of $1. Yeah, about 90, I believe it was 91 cent. So 91 cent risk in And then you can see here at 8:30, the sell, equal amount. This was my entry price. You can see this is my exit price here, 91 cents here with about $5. So we're looking at 5 to 1, 5 to 1 reward to risk ratio here on this trade. Now we can see price being delivered to the sell side here. See if price has any more room to go up. Currently in an uptrend here, so I need to redress my structural range here. With this price action here, with this candle here, that created a market structure shift that would anticipate price to be delivered to the buy side following that. And then we can see here along the way that buy side liquidity taken out here, and any buy side liquidity from this flat top area here has been taken out. So liquidity raids, at least 2 here in this area, and sweeping out sell side liquidity in these areas here. Still getting further buy side delivery here, so price could easily come up and sweep out liquidity all the way to the top of the range. This is the extent of my position. Potentially there may be a trade in the afternoon, or maybe not. Either way, seems that we're buying here today in Bitcoin. Overall market-wide, or at least this morning, we're buying, and price is still being delivered to the buy side, 118.820. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy for the New York AM